Hello my people, welcome again to Glatory. On my today's video, I'll show you how I make this garlic cheese roll. This is another easy recipe you can follow. It's very easy. All you need to do is sit back and watch the steps, and I know you will get it right. Okay, so here I'm using 1 cup of full cream milk. I added 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of active yeast. I put everything and set it aside. Here I added sugar and milk and my flavors and salt to taste, and I'll mix everything to well combine. Don't worry, I'll be listing out all the ingredients that I use for this recipe on my description. Please make sure you check it out. Here I'll be pouring in my yeast mixture. So I'll mix the dough to well combine. So remember, for you to get your bread right, you must knead your dough very well. I added 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So here it's ready. I'll set it aside for 1 hour and put it in a warm place to let it rise. So now I'll be doing the toppings. I use 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and I add 2 tablespoons of garlic sauce. If you want to know how I made this garlic sauce, please check my video on how you can make your garlic sauce. So I added the parsley. I'll mix everything to well combine. So now I'll prepare my dough. The dough is ready after 1 hour. So I divided it into 2 and set one aside, and I'll be focusing on this one now. So if today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for coming by. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. I really appreciate. Here I cut off the edges. So these are optional, but I choose to do it this way. So I have to spread my garlic mixture. Make sure they're all even. And now I added my shredded cheese. So I decided to use my pizza cutter to give them a slice. Some people would prefer to roll all of them together, but I prefer this style. It's more easier for me. So you can choose any style of your choice to roll it. You can see, very easy to roll out. See, I'll set it aside. So you can cover and let it rise for 30 minutes. So this is after 30 minutes. I'm gonna be baking it for 15 minutes. You can see, all baked. Hope you'll get to try this recipe. This is very easy to follow and I hope you'll get it right. It came out so well and so yummy. Hope you'll be trying this out. Remember, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like my video, comment, and please share so that others will get to see. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.